Matter.
Hello and welcome to Dad's Matter, understanding dads, supporting fathers across Norfolk and beyond. Today we're going to talk about play, something that dads are really good at. Mums are too, but in a different way. Mums tend to be cuddlier than dads when playing with their children. Mum's play helps a child feel loved, develop empathy and build a strong attachment. However, dads do it differently. Dads are a bit more physical.
There you go!
You'll often see a dad throw his child in the air and catch them. Dad is fun and a little bit scary, but that doesn't mean he's not nurturing or that it doesn't create a bond between dad and child. It does. It does it on steroids. And according to the research done by Mary Freeman of University of Newcastle, children who have lots of quality rough and tumble play with their fathers are less likely to have behavioural problems. Because rough and tumble is safe but challenging, which helps them regulate their emotions. So dads are great. How dads play with their children can help with their speech too. Dads don't tend to use baby talk, they use big words, humour and sarcasm, which increases a child's vocabulary. But why do children play? The desire to play is located in the horse bit of the brain, or the amygdala. It's instinctual, developed over 250 million years, so it must be important, and it is. Child's play helps in every aspect of their development. It gives them confidence to explore and learn about their world in a fun way, releasing all the good chemicals that improves their brain development.
Wow, I'm king of the world!
And it makes them happy. Child's play helps our children solve problems, increases their memory and helps them make decisions. For example, board games get children to interact with each other so they learn how to share, take turns, negotiate and build relationships. Climbing trees, swimming and jumping off stuff promotes strength, coordination and motor skills. If a child wins or loses a game, they get to express and deal with their emotions, which develops empathy and builds their self-esteem. Competition is healthy and dads are more likely to be competitive, but perhaps they should learn to let them win occasionally. Play doesn't have to have rules either. A stick can be a machine gun or a wand. The only limitation is imagination, and there's no limit to that. If your child wants to be a wizard, why not? The benefits of play don't stop there though. What both child and dad get out of play is probably the most important thing to them both. As men, we don't have the physical connection that mums have, so we have to bond with our children in a different way, and play ticks all those boxes. Playing together releases oxytocin and endorphins, which are crucial to the human race's survival and helps us get along. These hormones create a bond, the connection, that will last a lifetime. So play is really important and should be taken seriously. Thanks for listening.